This is it, guys. FIFA 20 released yesterday, 19th of September. So I'm gonna be showing what changed mainly on the Ultimate Team. Uh, Heads up that basically just the visual. Uh, the dynamic of the game, I think it's defending now. It's a bit harder. At least that's what I experienced in just a few hours of game. So here you have this cool. I think it's cool in the menu. You can, by the way, you can get access to the game right now if you have the Premier access, something like that. Anyway, so here click on Ultimate Team. I started with two rare 12 players rares. So I don't want to open now. I'm gonna leave to open when we have a better team of the week. Um, so let's start here in the first tab. Season objectives, same from last time. Maybe now that we have this reward system here for levels. Um, Daily objectives, etc. Milestones. It's just they divide it in different tabs, basically. Um, the We have here the team of the week, the same. This is the first team of the week. Too bad I don't want to open my two packs now. Um, can here go play squad battle, same friendlies, draft. Something that changed that now playing divisions, you gotta play 5 matches to place yourself. That the game is gonna place yourself in what division your skills are matching. Because before, everyone's starting on the 8th division, I guess, and you know could happen that someone really good face someone which is beginner disaster. So I like it. I like this approach here. Uh, Food champions, the same from last time. Squad, building challenges, team of the week, transfers, store. Yeah, that's it. Nothing, just the visuals, some small tweaks here and there. Yeah. So by the way, I'm playing here on PC. There is a if you play also with the PS4 controller, the FIFA 20 is not gonna work directly with the DS4 Windows. So I made a video how to fix it. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below if you're also interested. Well, see you guys.